Hey, I'm Lang Whitaker with Grind City Media. We're here for the Valvoline Under the Hood with Dillon Brooks. Dillon, sitting here in a car, let's talk a little automobile. What's your go-to artist when you're driving around in your car?
You know, I gotta say The Weeknd.
Okay.
You know, he just came with a new album.
Is that Canada thing?
Yeah, he came with a new album. One of the songs I play like a lot frequently is Wasted Times.
How does that song go?
It was like, wake up, I don't have to wake up, you laying close to me.
I like it.
You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. That's the ending part. That's the ending part, yeah.
Your windows down or windows up while you're singing?
Windows down. Like either way, somebody's gonna hear the music because it's so loud.
Yeah.
So.
But they might not hear you if the windows.
No, they're not gonna hear me. They're gonna hear like the beat in the song. Yeah.
On the team, who's the worst driver?
I would say the worst driver would probably be Jarrell. Yeah.
Have you ridden with him before?
I've ridden with him maybe one time. I've only drove with Mario and Mike once. You know, like after that, I got a car.
What car when you were a kid did you always want to own?
A Porsche.
Have you bought?
Yeah, I already got it.
You got it?
Yeah.
Was that your first, once you got your NBA deal, that was the first car you got?
Yeah, that was gonna be my first car. I always loved the Porsche.
Yeah.
I got a Panamera right now and it drives so smooth and I love the car, yeah.
So you don't mind when you have to hop in the car and you're like?
No, sometimes I take joy rides.
Yeah.
And just listen to music, drive around Memphis.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. That's like the opposite of what most people want to do. Most people are like, I'm just gonna try to avoid the car as much as possible. I guess if you have your dream car, you can.
Exactly.
What was the first car you ever had?
That was my first car I ever had.
Really?
Yeah, I used to drive my mom's car. My mom had an Escalade. Now she has an Infiniti.
Okay.
So, my first car was the Porsche.
Okay. The first car you ever drove though was your mom's
Escalade.
All right. What's the car that is? You got your Porsche, you got your dream car, but what's missing from the garage? What do you want to go?
Lamborghini.
Oh, that's an upgrade, I would guess.
You know, it's just I've been looking at Lamborghinis and stuff like that, and I just love how the way they're shaped. They're so awkwardly different.
Yeah.
They're fast, and then you can get them in vibrant colors, and it just looks amazing.
What would your go-to color be?
I think it would be red, just to
stand out a little
bit.
Yeah. And then last thing, you're a rims guy?
Yeah, kind of.
Yeah.
Not really, just bigger the better, I guess.
Yeah. You see that a lot in Memphis.
Yeah, no, for sure. I've seen some Chevys with some 30 inches on them, just stunning.
Well, cool. We appreciate your time. That's Under the Hood.